In this demo, we are going to showcase how to configure retention log governance and retention log compliance. We will be using a data domain 9410 in this demo. The same procedure can be utilized for DD9910 and DD9910F as well. Retention log is a license feature that provides immutable file locking and secure data retention for customers that meet both corporate governance and compliance. Retention log compliance is more strict than governance. First, navigate to Licenses under Administration, where the license is already applied for the feature Retention log governance and Retention log compliance. Log in into the PuTTY session of the DD and run mtree list to check the list of mtrees. Also, check the status of the existing statuses. Retention log governance can be enabled for MTREE using the command mtree retention-log enable mode governance mtree and the mtree name. Here we are enabling retention log governance for the MTREE demo rig. Now we are going to enable and configure the retention log compliance. Please note, to enable retention log compliance, the system requires downtime. To enable and configure RLC, a security officer user must be created and enabled. A security officer user called secuser is already created in this data domain. To enable security officer authorization, log into the PuTTY session of the DD using security officer credentials and execute the command authorization policy set security-officer enabled. Switch back to the sysadmin PuTTY session and run system retention-log compliance configure. You will be asked to enter security officer credentials for confirmation. The system will reboot post-confirmation. Both DD9910 and DD9410 systems require compliance mode to be enabled on iDRAC before retention log compliance can be configured on the system. Log into the PuTTY session after the system is up and running and check if any iDRAC users already configured using the command user iDRAC list. To create a user, execute the command user iDRAC create, which requires security officer credentials. Next, the system will prompt you to enter the number of iDRAC operators and iDRAC read-only users that need to be created. Key the username and password for iDRAC operator and iDRAC read-only user. For the purpose of this demo, we are creating only one for each user type. After the iDRAC users are successfully created, enable the retention log compliance on the system using the command system retention-log compliance enable, which will again prompt for security user credentials. It is recommended to set the system date change frequency and the date change limit while enabling the retention log compliance to avoid any undesired changes to the system clock. Please note that these values cannot be configured once RLC is enabled. In this demo, we are setting the date change limit as 12 hours and the date change frequency as 1 day. Now the system is ready to run the retention log compliance feature. Execute the command mtree retention-log enable mode compliance mtree /data/coll/demo -RLC to enable the RLC feature on the mtree demo RLC. This command will prompt security user credentials. The status of the mtree shows that the demo RLC is retention log compliance enabled. This concludes the demo. Thank you for watching.